What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Ron. And I thought I'd give you kind of like a house tour slash tutorial video because if you're going to be coming down to Colombia for the first time, you're probably going to have to do this. I'm currently washing clothes. I finished my first load and I'm going to show you guys because, as you know, dryers aren't really common down here because it's always warm down here, so they kind of just hang their clothes out. So I'm kind of show you a little bit of that and kind of like give you like a quick tour while I'm like the only person in the house, so to speak. I'm not gonna really show you their bedrooms, but I'll show you like where they're at. So this is my bedroom actually. So, you know, I got aircon. And let me tell y'all, bro, I've like had to like put that like on a certain setting because it gets cold in here ASAP. And this is like my closet where I've been like keeping clothes and stuff at, and shoes down there. And you know, had some, you know, I brought hoodies like just in case it got cool, you know what I mean? And pants down there. Bed, which I haven't made up yet. Don't judge me. You know, book bags and luggage stuff over there. This is kind of like my little setup where I've had like my laptop and stuff yet, but I usually kind of like get comfortable and sit on my bed. Plus, it's better lighting over there. And then I got my own private bathroom. You know, sink, all my you know, all my hygiene stuff, what have you, toilet, stand-in shower with the sliding door and everything. All right, so now I'm gonna take you guys downstairs because this is kind of like a condo kind of deal. I mean, that's the other bathroom that they share up here. And those are the other two bedrooms. Then, as we go down the stairs here, like some of you probably already seen this before from the couple videos that I did where I was eating breakfast. Like that's where I eat breakfast every morning. When I went live with Joanne, that's where I was at before I got, you know, my mobile hotspot to get better internet. So that's where I was sitting at, and that's where I eat every morning. It's like the living room area. That's the front door. And then this is like the half bathroom that's downstairs for everybody. All right. Then hola el gato. And let's see. Yeah, there go Kita down there hiding underneath the table. And this is kind of like, I guess you could say this is like their TV room. And they got a computer there as well where their daughter works at and stuff. And then out here is where the washer, and this is where I'm at currently. Got my second load of colors in there. There's all my like my whites and lighter clothes in here. And yeah, this is pretty much set up. As you can see, they got other clothes out here drying. I'm currently hanging up some of my stuff to dry. And yeah, this is how they do it in Colombia, you guys. So yeah, man, just so y'all aware, man. I mean, I think it's the same way in the Philippines and Thailand because, you know, it's typically warm. So dryers aren't a commonality in these other countries like they would be if you was back in the States. So just a FYI, if you don't know, now you know. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and hang the rest of these clothes up real quick. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys the kitchen. Yeah, that's the kitchen. Let's see, turn this light on real quick. Yeah, that's the kitchen. You know what I mean? And what I kind of like about this kitchen today, it's kind of got like a window out there, at least out to there. So I thought that was kind of dope. Yeah, I'm like, ain't too bad. Decent neighborhood, gated community, like I said. So it's pretty dope. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and hang up these clothes real quick. All right. So I already got like my undershirts like this kind of hung up. Let me do this. I think for the most part, I think this is the only shirt that I got left. Somebody gave me crap for this because NASA means something really bad in another language. I forgot which language it was, but I'm sure somebody in the comments will remind me. Hey, just understand that I just buy stuff that I like and match what I wear. I brought my red, blue, and white Air Max Pluses out here, and it was 15 degrees when I left Cincinnati, so I didn't want to walk around or carry a big coat on a plane. So I figured, I would just wear that because what I did when I left you guys, I originally wore this and wore this over it. And once I got down to Miami, I actually went to the bathroom and changed out of this and just had this on underneath my velour suit. I highly recommend you guys wear velour suits when you traveling because these planes and what have you can be cold. I actually learned that tip from Richie Mack, Zoom to Thailand. Shout out to Richie Mack. So I'm like, which is one of the reasons why the pictures that y'all see me on planes, I'm always wearing that velour suit. So yeah. Speaking of which, I'm like, here's the pants that go with it. So, because it does get cold on those planes, guys, man. I'm like, I had to learn the hard way. Alright, so I'll go ahead and hang this up with this. And, just for the record, you guys, it's been like, just so y'all know, guys, it's been like literally 84, 85 degrees every single day out here. No rain. And I've been out here for over 2 weeks now. So, I gotta admit, I was a little bit surprised by it. I'm like, I thought we would have at least got a little bit of rain by now, but nope. It's literally been 84, 85 degrees, slight breeze. Partly cloudy and sunny, man. Like, beautiful weather, bro. Like, ain't nothing like Cincinnati, Ohio. Like I said, it was 15 degrees and cold when I left. Alright, so that's everything, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get back to it because I got some content that I need to edit and wanted to get these clothes washed because this will pretty much last me for the rest of my time here because I still got some clean clothes left. So what I'm gonna do is get my washing done today so that way by the time I leave I won't have to wash again until I get back home. And keep it simple and easy. I'm like dreading going back home, but we gotta get her done. I will say though, I do like this setup, man. This is pretty dope. I know they was telling me if I was a smoker, I could come out here and smoke too, but as you guys know, I gave up tobacco. Let's see, it's been over a year now. Now, as far as the 420 goes, we'll probably save that for Thailand because I know it's legal over there. But I'm like, to be honest with you, man, I really haven't even thought about it like that since I've been out here, man. It's like, just being out here has been kind of like a new high for me. So, it might be different for y'all. I don't know. I'm like, plus some of the stuff that I've smelled them smoking here, man. It smelled like straight Babbage. All right. So I just want to give you guys kind of a quick house tour because I know some people was probably wondering how I'm living, and am I living in like a hut? No, you guys. Like once again, I'll show you what the street look like. I mean, it's nice out here, you guys. It's gated. Yeah, man. So, like, it's nice out here, man. You gotta think that's, I mean, including my bedroom, is 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. So, you know what I mean? These people ain't doing too bad. So, I don't want to hear none of these detractors like, oh, they live in huts and they live in poor. Nah, they doing all right. So, all right, that's all I wanted to do for you guys real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here, or I may continue this on to another vlog, but I might keep this separate because, you know, this is probably not gonna, clearly this is not gonna be the most viewed part or the most viewed vlog because, you know, I know what everybody wants to see and I understand that, but at the same time, you got to understand all the elements of coming out here as well because it's not gonna be just like in the States, you know what I mean? So I want everybody to understand that. All right, especially for the guys that haven't traveled yet, because this is my first time. So this has been a learning experience as well as a fun experience. All right, so on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here, you guys. Deuces. Necesito agua.